In this video, we focus on the process approach and risk-based thinking competency in the IATF Auditor Guide, in particular auditing the integrity of data. Watch this video to see if the auditor is undertaking an effective audit. So I'd like to follow up now. When you get scrap parts, you told me earlier how you segregate them.
Yes.
What do you do at the end of your shift?
Yes. At the end of my shift, I take them, I count them, the number of them.
So 5, yeah?
Yeah. And I take this sheet and I mark the number in the exact column where the scrap number is.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we have 76, 20, 16, 1, and now 5.
Yes.
Okay. So as production manager then, how do you collect and analyze this data?
So after every shift, our shift leader collects these papers and enter the data into our ERP system.
Okay.
And then every morning, our quality engineer or quality manager uploads his Excel file that collects the data from our ERP system. So every morning he knows how much scrap there was on every machine.
Yeah.
And he has the chance, to give analysis to his colleague or ask us what happened and so on. So from that point of view, together with him, we solve the problem, what has happened, why it has happened, and we do some small analysis on every part that we think it's we need to do it.
So what I'd like to do then, sticking with this machine,
Yes.
can we take this part number and do a correlation between your ERP data
Yep.
and this manual data?
Yes.
Is it
yes,
possible to do that?
Yes. Yes, it is.
Okay, let's go and do that then. Thank you
Okay,
very much.
sure.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So let's summarize. In any IATF 16949 audit, the auditor should be focusing on the relevant quality objectives that relate to the process that they're auditing. And it's really important that the auditor doesn't just take data as read, but the auditor challenges the integrity of data. So by that I mean that they are checking how is the data captured, for example, on the shop floor? How does that data get consolidated? How does that data then get reported? And then as a result of the consolidation of the data, how are the relevant improvement actions taken when improvement targets are not met? So let's summarize with the key learning points. In IATF 16949, in auditing any process, the auditor should focus on the relevant quality objectives that relate to the process. It is also important that the auditor challenges the integrity of the data. So how is the data collected? How is the data analyzed? How is the data reported? And then based upon the data, how is the performance evaluated? And if a performance target is not being met, what is the relevant improvement action?